Hi, Lindsay. Now on Bounce, we're exploring some unique flavors from the Carolinas. We have Lori Warner, the corporate executive chef from Harris Teeter here. Welcome to the show, especially being here on Friday tonight.
Thank you.
All right. What are you showing us tonight? It looks delicious.
What we have tonight is a spin-off on a deviled egg and with some candied bacon and some of the Texas Pete, one of the items that are offered in the selection of the sriracha sauce.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's some unique flavors indeed. Okay. So show us how to make it.
Okay. We'll start with the eggs that get boiled for approximately 12 minutes. Cool them, peel them, and then you'll separate them and cut them in half as we see on the plate here. Okay. And then the yolks get chopped up. And with that is added the mayonnaise.
Okay. And you're using a little bit of
Duke's mayonnaise.
Absolutely.
Duke's
is the best, right?
It sure is.
Okay, you're not playing around here tonight. You came in, you're ready to go. Okay.
Yes, and we have a tablespoon of mustard.
Mustard, okay.
Some cider vinegar.
Okay.
Some Worcestershire sauce.
All right.
And this is, yes, Texas Pete's.
Texas Pete. Now, is that only through Harris Teeter, Texas Pete? Really? Okay. Yeah. All right.
It is at this time.
All right.
Some fresh dill, which is, I know, a favorite down here.
Fresh dill, yes. Brigida likes fresh dill. She's standing by. She's team on sugar, so she can't have
a little pinch of salt and pepper.
Oh. A little pinch of salt and pepper.
And what we'll do is combine this all together.
And that's going to be the center for the egg.
Correct.
Okay. I made some deviled eggs in my time. Yeah, I sure have. And what are we going to do when we're done with that? We've got candied bacon. That's what I like. I like candy and I like bacon. Together, it's double trouble. Right?
Yes, very tasty.
Good deal. So now you have to use one of these or not?
Yes, pastry bag. Highly recommended. You can do it this way, or you could actually use a plastic bag.
Okay.
But
and you can get a pastry bag at any place? Can you get that at Harris Teeter?
You can get this at Harris Teeter, a kitchen, any kind of a kitchen warehouse, but we certainly do carry them.
Okay. It makes it easier to put it in the center of the eggs. Okay. And while we're talking, you got some other things. I'll let you do a little bit of that. What do you have here?
We have a Cheerwine fresh cherry cobbler.
Okay, Cheerwine fresh cherry. You know what? I feel like you're our guest. Let me do that while you talk about this fresh Cheerwine cobbler.
Okay,
Let me do this.
You're gonna.
Let me do this. I got this under control.
Very good.
Who
okay.
do you think you're talking to?
We have fresh seasonal cherries that we have cooked for a short period of time with some hot chocolate. Melted that down to make a nice fine syrup. And then it is placed into the casserole dish along with the streusel topping and baked into the oven.
And I bet it's baked at 350 degrees, isn't it?
You got it. That's right.
See what I'm saying? Come on in, Lindsay and Brigida, because I'm doing too much work over here. This is crazy. I'm not ready to eat.
Dad, too.
Okay, go ahead. And Harris Teeter, it's been around for so long, but people don't realize they have great quality products that you can only find at Harris Teeter.
Yes.
Correct?
And all these products will be offered for the next month during the Carolina Charm Festival, where people can come in and purchase it, and then also it will be available at the parade.
And what exactly is the Carolina Charm Festival? Where is it?
It will be held in Matthews.
Matthews, okay.
Yes.
All right, good deal.
Is this killing you to watch? You're trying to just have a
well.
with filling there.
Nobody's going to skip on the
There we go.
middle of the deviled eggs. Who does that?
Wow, thank you there's a professional.
And now, real quick, the candy bacon.
Candied bacon gets garnished on the top.
Okay.
Wow.
And
you can learn more on HarrisTeeter.com. You can also follow and use the hashtag Carolina Charm on social media. Thank you so much for being here. Wow, he's already digging in. Y'all have a great weekend. We appreciate you watching tonight.
That's delicious.